geeks, as they say, cask and you shall receive. After the, I would say, incredible success of our first ever day-long beer festival, we are having another digital beer festival. This time, it's a cask-led one. And who's it with again, Brad?
I think it might be 5 Points, mate. We love a bit of 5 Points Best, don't we, Johnny?
Absolutely. It's one of our favourite beers ever, and we're delighted to say that we've teamed up with the amazing London brewery 5 Points to bring cask ale to your home. So on the 27th of March, we will be hosting an all-afternoon and into the evening cask beer festival where 5 Points will be shipping out their pale ale or their porter to you in mini keg, fresh and casky, as delicious as it gets, along with some bottles of your favourite other 5 Points beers for you to enjoy at home while we get stuck into... God, what have we got? We've got
Pete Brown.
Pete Brown on a panel all about the survival of cask.
Amazing. We've got Zitherfire.
He said craft, that was controversial. We've got Martin Cornell of Zitherfire, my favourite beer historian, talking about the history of porter. And then we'll be joined by people of 5 Points, people like Greg, the head brewer, who'll be joining us to give us a video of the brew day of best and indeed how to look after cask ale properly at their amazing pub, the Pembury Tavern. So it's going to be a lot of fun. There's going to be a lot of nonsense and a lot of best drunk.
Indeed, mate. I think 5 Points really champion great cask beer. And it's exciting, isn't it, Johnny?
Cask ale is beer. It's like the fresh bread of beer. It's as fresh as it can possibly be. And that's what we're hoping to show you, why we love cask ale so much, why you should love cask ale so much, and why, you know, it's really struggled because you can only serve it really in the pub. It struggled during COVID, and this is going to be a little chance, a couple of months before the pubs reopen, to remind ourselves of why this wonderful national drink of the UK is incredibly important. And I hope our message is as clear as that was on the day after a lot of cask ale. So we'll see you on the 27th of March, and you can buy your cask ales at the link below, direct from 5 Points. Cheers.
Cheers.